How can you stay updated on market changes in areas where you're investing remotely? Let's discuss 3 strategies that'll keep you informed and ahead of the curve. First, setting up automated alerts from market reports. Here's how to set it up. Use Google Alerts to track keywords related to your investment areas. Include terms like city name, real estate market, or neighborhood name, property values. Subscribe to email newsletters from reputable real estate data providers like Zillow Research, Redfin, and CoreLogic. Set up alerts on real estate platforms like Realtor.com or Trulia for price changes in your target neighborhoods. You may want to create a separate account for these alerts to ensure you don't miss any important updates. Remember, the key is to filter the noise. Focus on trusted sources and adjust your alerts as you learn which information is most valuable to your investment strategy. Second, following local news outlets and government websites. Local insights can make or break an investment strategy. Here's how to tap into the local pulse. Bookmark and regularly check websites of local newspapers and TV stations. Many have real estate or business sections which will offer valuable market insights. Follow city and county government websites for updates on zoning changes, new developments, or infrastructure projects that could impact property values. Subscribe to email updates from local Chamber of Commerce and economic development agencies for insights on business growth and job market trends. You can also set up a Twitter list of local journalists and city officials and real estate experts. Their tweets can often give you real-time insights into market shifts. Third, networking with local real estate professionals. Building a network of local experts can give you insider knowledge. Here's how to do it remotely. Connect with local real estate agents, property managers, and local investors on LinkedIn. Engage with their posts, share insights, which will help you build relationships. Also, join local real estate investment groups on Facebook or BiggerPockets. Participate in discussions to gain insights and establish connections. Attend virtual real estate meetups or webinars focused on your target market. These events often feature local experts sharing current market trends. By implementing these 3 strategies, setting up automated alerts, following local news and government sources, and networking with local professionals, you'll stay informed about market changes in your remote investment areas, often before they become widely known.